Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to write number 1. Parents, you can help your ward by putting a dot like this. So, this dot will help them to write correct formation of number 1. Now children, it's your time. Place your pencil on the dot like this and make a standing line which should touch the bottom line. We will do it again. This is your dot. Place your pencil on the dot like this. Make a standing line which should touch the bottom line like this. This is our number 1. Now you have learned how to write number 1. So let me ask you a question. How many sun are there? Yes, you are right. Only one. So we will draw a sun here on the top. Draw a small circle like this and slanting lines. This is our sun.
To write number 2. Suppose this is my notebook. Parents can help the child to put some dots so that it will be easy for them to understand. So now let's start. Put your pencil on the dot. A small curve, a slanting line and a sleeping line on the bottom. That makes number 2. Once again, a small curve, slanting line and a sleeping line. Let's do it again. Curve, slanting line and a sleeping line. Wonderful. Now let's count number 2 on the fingers. 1, 2. Number 2. Now I have 2 objects with me. 1, 2. How many objects? 2. That makes number 2. Now on the top I am going to make any 2 objects of my choice. You can make your own choice. I love flowers, so I am going to make 2 flowers. Circle and some curves. Make a flower. 1 and now 2. 2 flowers. Fantastic.
Today, I will be introducing you to the number 3. Now, let's start. First, we will make a curve. Then another curve all the way to the bottom. Like this. Now we will make another 3. First, we will make one curve. Then another curve all the way to the bottom like this. Curve, another curve all the way to the bottom. This is number 3. Now let's count number 3 on the finger. 1, 2, 3. Repeat after ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now let's draw 3 drawings over there. Today I will draw 3 smileys. 1, 2, and 3. You can draw any objects, any image of your own choice.
Today we are going to learn how to write number 4. To make number 4, first we will make a small standing line, then small sleeping line, then a big standing line which will touch the bottom line. We will make again small standing line, small sleeping line, then again a standing line which will touch the bottom. This is how we make number 4. And now with number 4, we will make 4 triangles on the top. Let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Today I'm going to tell you how to write number 5. So let's start. Put pencil on the dot. Make small sleeping line to the right. Then small standing line downwards. Then curve to the bottom. Let's do it again. Small sleeping line to the right. Then standing line downwards. Then curve to the bottom. Now let's do it again. Small sleeping line to the right. Now standing line downwards and curve line to the bottom. This is number 5. Now with number 5, let's draw 5 ice creams. Do you like ice creams? Mom also love ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice creams.
Today we are going to learn how to write number 6. Let's start. Put your pencil on the dot and make a curve which touches the blue line like this, and then make a loop like this. This is our number 6. Let's do it again. Put your pencil on the dot, make a curve which touches the blue line, and then make a loop like this. This is number 6. Now on the top, I'm going to make any 6 objects of my choice. You can make of your own choice. I'm going to make 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars.
Today we will write number 7. Let's put the pencil on the dot like this. Make a short sleeping line and then a slanting line like this. Let's try again. Put the pencil on the dot, make a short sleeping line and then a slanting line. Shall we try one more time? Okay. Pencil on the dot, make a short sleeping line and slanting line. So this is number 7. Shall we draw 7 objects? Okay, let's draw 7 shapes. I'm going to take a semicircle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can draw any other shape if you like. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, or even diamond shape.
Today I'm going to teach you how to write number 8. So let's start. First, put pencil on the dot. Make letter S touch with the blue line. Then take it to the starting point like this. Now let's do it again. Pencil on the dot. Make letter S touch to the bottom. Then move to the starting point. Let's do it again. Once more. Put pencil on the dot. Make letter S. Touch it to the bottom. Then starting point. So children, now we will draw 8 objects at the top. Today, Mom will draw 8 pencils. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last we have 8.
And today we are going to write number 9. For number 9, first we have to make one standing line, and this standing line should touch the bottom line, and then a curve like this. It's very easy. Now let's make again. Standing line and a curve. Number 9. And now what we are going to make with number 9? We are going to make 9 smileys. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Thank you.